Rakai here, back at it again with another video. And today we're going to install the Blitz carbon fiber style spoiler. Now let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's the difference between the carbon fiber hood wrap and the actual carbon fiber of the spoiler. As you can see, this is more 3D-ish. Looks super good. Do a better shot. So from far away, it looks similar, but if you get closer, you could tell which one is the real one and the fake one. Alright, so let's take a look at the rear really quick. So this is how it looks without the spoiler on, and then in the next shot I'll show you guys with it on. As you can tell, it looks pretty good as it is right now, but I'm pretty sure when I put that spoiler on, it's gonna look way better. Alright, so I test fitted the spoiler. It's not mounted on, but this is how it looks like with the spoiler on. What do you guys think? Yes or no? I think it looks pretty cool. So, as you can tell, this carbon fiber is different from this one. I'll go back up a little bit. Take it from all angles. From back here. Looks pretty sick. Alright guys, so I am all done, finished installing this. I'll zoom in a little bit closely. As you can see, it's all even, nicely spaced, and it's the same gapping on the other side as well, and I'll show you guys that. Once again, I am sponsored with Lord Empire. Use Rakai for 10% off the entire purchase. So yeah, check them out. Alright, so we're on this side. As you can see, it's perfect. Nicely even spaced. Same gapping on each side. It's all even, guys. I'll zoom out a little bit. So this is how it looks. The car is almost completed. What do you guys think? Comment below what you guys think of how this looks. Alright. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Rakai, and I'm out.